Hi, welcome back to Liz Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare the best curry beef. In front of me, I do have my seasoning that I put in, Billy black pepper, curry powder. I also have the Goya seasoning salt, and of course Tony's Creole seasoning. I do put in my vegetable, potatoes, and carrots. So join me. Let's start cooking. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Hey guys. So today we are going to fix curry beef, and I'm going to get first of all season my meat. And this is my meat. I washed it already, so we're going to get this seasoned and steamed first. I got some chopped red onions. I'm gonna put it in this blender. I also have water in it blender, so I'm gonna put this onions in it. Now, we'll put the blender top. And we're gonna blend the onions. Okay. Alright. Once you blend the onions, we're gonna pour this into the meat. Take it out, pour it into the meat. Hi guys, so we are back with our meat after we have boiled it for like 30 minutes. You don't want it too soft, so right now it's kind of a little bit hard, which is good because you have to add everything on it and let it finish cooking. I do have here garlic that I blended. So I'm going to add that. All right, so blended some garlic and add it in there. And also the turkey that was placed in the meat. I have that chopped up into little bites. You don't want the big turkey in there, or you can cut them up before you put them in a pot. So I cut them up little by little, just like the meat size, so they all be the same size in a pot. Remember, your turkey must be smoked turkey to give it that smoky flavor. I do have my vegetable that I chopped up. I have potatoes, red pepper, green pepper, carrots, and like I said, I already added the onions and the garlic. So the rest of it, we're just gonna add in the pot. Okay. And I'm gonna stir that in the meat. Make sure we get that on medium. You don't want it too high. You don't want it dried up. And I'm going to add 3 leaves of the bay leaf in there. That one was too small. Add another bay leaf. And I'm going to have, this is ginger. We're going to add the ginger in here. It's ginger powder, but so a little bit of ginger in there. Also, don't forget it's curry stew, so we're going to add curry powder. Okay, get enough curry powder in there. Gonna add a little bit more of the Creole seasoning. Okay, and stir it up. There you go. Just make sure you stir the seasoning into the beef. So once you stir it, cover it up. And now we can just wait for 30 minutes, let it boil, and let it cook on medium heat. Not too high, but so it can steam up so the juice and everything can be tasted into the curry. All right, so we got 30 minutes and we will be back. All right, so we're back to check on our curry beef. We left it to cook and for the meat to marinate, and let's check on it now and see. We are all set. The beef is all tender. As you can see, the sauce is very thick. The vegetables, carrots, potatoes, yeah. And we'll take a look at the beef. Yeah, very tender. Very tender. So we ready to go. The main ingredients. The curry have to be enough to make sure you taste your curry as you go. And you want to take the lid off after a while so it can settle down. It won't be too much water in your curry sauce. You want it to be thick. As you can see, it's very, very thick right now. Okay, so it's ready to be served. Go ahead and turn the stove off. And because it's ready, and I'm going to add it with a little rice. So you can. Okay, so let's sample this. The sauce is very thick. I got a little white rice that I cooked. So I'm going to put the sauce on it. See how thick that sauce is. And I'm going to get some meat. Yes. Put some beef on it. Ooh, look good. It look good. And we're going to sample this right now. Put the potatoes. All right. And this is what it looked like with the rice. And all right, so this is the curry and the rice, and we're gonna sample this right now. And can't wait. There you go. Look at that. Look at the meat. Very tender. Try is very good. Very good. Okay, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe,